How to use Instagram collab post feature. So first of all, open your Instagram, make sure you're logged into your account just like this. Then from here, another thing that you need to remember is that your account should actually be a professional one. So if you are using your personal account, make sure to switch it to professional account, so it can be either a business account or a creator account. After doing that, you can now start creating your post. Let's just say I want to use this photo, tap on next. In here you can edit it however you want, add audio and everything, tap on next, and in here you can add in your captions and everything. In here you can see you can do a lot of things. In here, simply tap on tag people. In order to invite your collaborators, simply tap on invite collaborators, and in here simply search for your collaborator just like this. So after doing that, you can simply add another one if you want. Again, tap on invite collaborators, then select a friend or a brand just like this. Then all you need to do is tap on done. And after tapping on done, all you need to do is tap on share. So after tapping on share, the collaboration request will be sent to that particular brand or business account. And in there, after they have accepted your collaboration, then only you will be able to actually use your Instagram collab post feature. So make sure to tell them to accept this invitation, and that is all you need to do.